Hello, I'm TreyReynolds, the maker of the air physics game, and today I'm going to try making something new. I'm recording something for the first time just because I'm wondering how it'll go, and I'm wondering if you guys want to watch. So anyway, today I'm going to make my player face towards this part here at all times, and the reason why is because whenever you're sword fighting, hint hint, you want to be able to have the player constantly look at the other player to be able to attack, like kind of like in Assassin's Creed. So how we're going to do this is I already have some of my functions here, some like interpolate, which will interpolate from one place to the other, and then look C-frame, which is a super correct rotational C-frame. Kind of like C-frame.new position, or vector 3, which will point from one vector to another vector. This is the same thing, except that it is super correct rotation. It uses quaternions to function, so yeah. Okay, so local. So anyway, in order to make my body face towards this, we're going to want to do, well, first we're going to have to index the character, so equals game.players.localPlayer.character. I guess I should index the local player anyway, but nah. Okay, so then local torso, body equals, no, maybe we should do it the other way. Kind of organizationally and weird. Okay, so body will be TreyReynolds. Then we have humanoid root part. So TreyReynolds torso. Let's see, char dot, and then dot torso, and then while wait do. Then we're gonna do C-frame body. We're gonna make the body face towards the this part here, which we will name face. So, oh, and then we should index face as well. So local face equals game workspace dot face. And then we're gonna go ahead and set some stuff here because I don't want to have to type in vector3.new all the time. So local v3 comma, and I don't want to type in cf all the time. So cf equals vector3.new comma cframe.new. So now all I have to do you'll see. Okay, so body dot cframe equals cframe dot new. That's in place of cframe dot new. We're gonna go ahead and do new vector3. So just nothing vector3 to the we're gonna do from face dot position minus body dot position, and then we're gonna add the body position here, and then we're gonna do actually no, we're gonna check this out. Let's see if this works. Oh, well, it sort of works. Okay, so we're gonna have to change this to a function. Swords. No. Function update. And then we're gonna go ahead and copy this while we still can. Before Roblox crashes. Kind of notorious of that on my computer. Okay, so game get service run service dot render stepped connect, and then we're going to do update. I wish you could do that because that'd be cool looking. I wish you could give it arguments, but you can't. Okay, so let's see if this fixes it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's fixed it. But now we want to make the torso point towards. Oh, you know what I see here? I see that this needs to go up here, so that way we don't have to index the position twice. We only have to index it once. Which, by the way, is tons faster. It's so much faster, it's not even funny. Make sure that you do this. And then we're going to do... oh, and we should probably set this to local. Make a local function. Okay, so local update. And then we're going to have torso.cframe equals, and then we're going to use my super correct look cframe function up here. So look cframe. Let's see, we're going to have to give it cframe. So okay, so it's going to be from the body cframe. Oh wait, that's dumb. We don't need to do that, because then we'll just be setting the cframe up here to this, and then we'll be indexing it, so that'll be slow. I mean, we'll be indexing it from this part, which will be super slow. So local body cframe equals this, and then we'll say body.cframe equals body cframe, and then we'll say look cframe equals body cframe, and this is so much faster, comma face position dot position, which of course is bad because, and let's change this to body cf because cframe is a bit bulky and I don't like it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, body cf. And then face position we're going to use down here, so we should move this up to here. Let's say body post, comma face post equals this. And then we can do face posts. We can do face posts there. And okay, wait, now we need to multiply this by the, okay, because it's a weld. So body cframe. No, because that, no. It's a bad idea. I can't do that. I need to do the weld instead. So hip, I guess, would be, yeah, so hip. No, because we're going to make it face towards the mouse. So I'll need to get the mouse as well. So local mouse equals game.players local player dot get mouse. And of course I see that I'm indexing this twice, so local player equals that, and we'll do mouse equals player get mouse, so you don't really have to index it in character. And we're going to move these to the same line because that's how we do things around here. Alright, and then we do CF equals this, and then we're going to do cframe, body cf, and then we're going to do, instead of having, okay, so now instead, yeah, so hip is going to be, no, root joint. Okay, so, no, because then we'll have to index it again. So we're going to move, no, but we're going to need torso in the future. So we're going to go ahead and leave torso here. And then we're going to move down to local root joint equals, no, hip equals, no, back, no, yes, hip equals, no, what am I doing, body dot root joint, And then I know that the root joint is automatically set to something weird. So we're going to go here and we're just going to make sure that I'm right. So script print script dot parent dot root dot script parent dot co comma c1. Okay, what is this? Okay, so 0, 0, 0, -1. Oh, that's weird. That's not good. Yeah, we're gonna have to reset that. Why are they making it face up? Like, that's so weird. Okay, so we're gonna have to set it to a new C frame. Local. No, we can't use local. We're gonna do root joint. No, we're gonna do hip dot C1 equals CF. Wow, that took me a long time. Okay, and then we're gonna do hip dot C0. Okay, so hip dot C0 equals let's see, and we're gonna have to multiply by the inverse, or rather the way I like to think of it. And because I understand rotation matrices and they're full, I think I can say this. We're gonna subtract the C frame of the body C frame, which of course is just inverse, or making it negative, sort of. I don't know. Once again, I understand it completely, so I feel as though I can say things which are incorrect and get away with it. But a C frame inverse times that. C frame CF. No, look, C frame. And hopefully this will work. Alright, what did I just do? Okay, yeah, so see now I'm looking towards it. Yeah, okay. So now here's what we're going to do. Now we're going to make this. We're not going to give this. Okay, so I can do interpolation with my look C frame, which, by the way, Roblox totally needs this function. So we're going to do half instead and watch what happens. Notice how it only looks down half at the maximum, or 45 degrees. Yeah, okay, so now we're going to do, instead we're going to make it point to the mouse dot hit dot p. So mouse dot hit dot p. So now whenever we're walking around, our head is going to, or our torso is going to point halfway between this here, or rather halfway between forward towards this and where my mouse is facing, or where my mouse is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take my head as well, and we're going to do hip, body on that, comma, neck equals, we're going to save this while we still can, body dot rejoin, and we're going to do character dot, what is it? Is it torso or then head? Where's the torso? There's the torso. Neck. And then we're going to do the same thing again, except instead now we're going to do it from this torso and that's not good. But anyway, we're going to have to cut this short. See you next time.